Did you know that there is a mineral that holds great significance in the removal of age spots? Age spots affect a considerable number of individuals who are 50 years or older. Furthermore, you will gain knowledge about the health advantages of this mineral. Lastly, I will share a unique natural recipe to eliminate age spots, along with some additional tips at the program's end. So don't miss this opportunity. Zinc, a vital mineral present in bodily fluids, organs, and tissues, plays a crucial role in human health. The human body contains approximately 2 to 3 grams of zinc, primarily located in skeletal muscles and bones. Smaller quantities are present in the skin, liver, kidneys, retina, and prostate. While people commonly associate zinc with immunity, it plays several other vital roles in maintaining the human body's proper functioning. Chronic zinc deficiency is among the factors contributing to the development of age spots on the skin. Age spots are commonly found on people's hands or foreheads as they get older. These flat patches appear as brown or black spots that may slowly develop over time. While they're not dangerous in and of themselves, they can lead to more serious complications if left untreated. Zinc deficiency has been linked with age spots by several studies looking at both animal models, in which researchers studied mice, and humans living in different parts of the world. Researchers found that rats who were fed a diet low in zinc had more brown or black patches on their bodies than those who consumed normal amounts of zinc during their lifetimes. Similarly, the body uses zinc in many ways. It is essential for the formation and activation of T lymphocytes, which are essential white blood cells that help fight off infections. Zinc also plays an important role in the development of age spots and other skin damage. If you have been told that you have age spots and want to prevent them, then it is important that you take steps to ensure that you are getting enough zinc in your diet. This can be done by eating foods high in zinc such as nuts, beans, meat and fish. However, if you do not eat enough of these foods or if your diet does not contain enough zinc, then supplementation may be necessary for your health maintenance. Zinc is a trace element that's essential for human health. It plays a role in over 300 enzymes, surpassing all other trace elements, and results in a diverse range of bodily functions. Zinc is necessary for growth and development, immune response, neurological function, and reproduction. It's also involved in insulin production and sex and growth hormones. Without adequate levels of zinc in our bodies, we run the risk of developing diseases like depression, heart disease and diabetes. If you're looking to improve your health or boost your energy levels, consider taking a daily supplement with zinc. Zinc is an essential nutrient that can help you maintain healthy skin. Zinc is involved in the production of collagen, the protein that keeps your skin elastic and supple. Good collagen production is one of the key factors that help boost the health of your skin, hair, and nails. Zinc also helps to keep your body's acid-base balance in check so that you don't experience allergic reactions or develop skin conditions such as psoriasis. Zinc also plays a role in maintaining your liver's function by helping it detoxify harmful compounds from within your body. This is especially important for those who consume alcohol and recreational drugs regularly, since these can affect liver function negatively and lead to more serious conditions like cirrhosis, liver scarring. In addition to all these benefits, zinc has been found to be effective at preventing osteoporosis, a condition that occurs as we age due to reduced bone density. There are many things you can do to slow down or even reverse the signs of aging, and one of the most important is taking zinc, along with regular consumption of coenzyme Q10 and magnesium. Zinc is vital for your body's immune system to function properly, which is why it's so important to keep your intake high while you're getting older. The recommended daily dose of zinc is approximately 80 milligrams and should be taken daily as part of your diet. Along with zinc intake, regular consumption of coenzyme Q10, 750 to 1000 milligrams per day, and magnesium, 750 to 1000 milligrams per day, can significantly aid in preventing age spots appearance. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite beauty tip. It's a quick and easy way to remove age spots and other imperfections on your face. Let me show you how it works. First, mix 2 small teaspoons of baking soda and 1 small teaspoon of lemon juice in a bowl. Be careful when adding the lemon juice, because it can be very strong. Increase the amount as needed until you've achieved the consistency that you like best. Then, apply this paste onto your face, neck, or any area of your skin affected by age spots. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. You'll notice that the dead cells on your skin will begin to flake off, revealing healthy new skin underneath. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. We've been working on this for a while, and we're really proud of it. And we hope that you found it informative and useful. If there are any questions or comments about today's topic, please leave them below, and we will be happy to answer them. And remember, taking care of your skin is essential, and by following the tips we provided, you can maintain healthy and youthful-looking skin. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.